To pair your iPhone or Android phone to your 2016-2022 Honda Pilot, start by navigating to the Settings menu on your Pilot's infotainment system. Select Phone Bluetooth and then choose Pair Device. Ensure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled and in discovery mode. The Pilot will then search for available devices. Select your phone from the list. A PIN will appear on the screen. Confirm this PIN on your phone. Once confirmed, your phone is paired. After pairing your phone, you can sync contacts, music, and apps using either Apple CarPlay for iPhones or Android Auto for Android devices. For iPhones, Apple CarPlay enables the integration. In 2019 or newer pilots, CarPlay connects wirelessly through Bluetooth. For older models, you'll need to use a USB cable. For Android phones, Android Auto provides similar functionality, connecting either wirelessly or through a USB cable. Both CarPlay and Android Auto allow access to navigation apps like Google Maps or Apple Maps. You can also stream music from apps like Spotify. Additionally, both systems support messaging and accessing your contacts. For full compatibility, ensure your iPhone runs iOS 8.3 or later, and your Android device runs version 6.0 or higher. If you encounter connection issues, try clearing paired devices, resetting Bluetooth, or updating your Pilot's firmware through the My Honda Plus app or via USB.